Hey everyone. So as you all know, if you watched our last Monday Night Live, Maria had sent Alan this hair catcher gadget, and he used it with this up. Maria showed me to try it with it down, so that's what we're going to do today. And I am going to put it right here on the canvas. So I'm going to be using some blues and a gold to get that denim-y, silvery look, but I'm not going to use silver. I'm going to use gold because silver tends to get lost. So I'm going to start with white. I'm going to turn my cup around here. I am using a paper cup, and I already did spray it with the WD-40. Craft Smart Blue Ice. It's a metallic pearl. Lucas Steel Blue. Craft Smart Midnight Blue Metallic. Craft Smart Gold. Some black. And I'm going to do it again. White. Craft Smart Blue Ice Pearl. Lucas Steel Blue. Craft Smart Midnight Blue Metallic. Craft Smart Gold. A lot of Craft Smart, huh? And some black. Okay. Now, I have to pour kind of, well, not really. I don't have to pour really fast, but I have to pour it so it's going to come out of those holes, so I can't like do it really slow. I don't think this is one you could do one color at a time. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour, and I'm going to pick the canvas up just a little bit. I'm going to let that finish coming out of there, and then I'm going to pull it off, but I'm still holding the canvas up just a little bit. It's still running out. Okay. That's kind of neat. I don't know if I want to pull that in or not. I don't think so. Maybe a little. Decisions. There's a lot of paint there, so we definitely have to do some moving around. Okay. Let me start by going this way a little bit. Get a little over that edge. Then we're going to bring it. I'm going to take it right over because there's so much paint here. And I'm going to get this side as well. This really doesn't have much design to it. Take the edge off, and I think I'm going to keep going with that side to bring that right up to the corner. Oh, it's not going to play well. I want to get rid of half of it. It kind of looks like a little sore thumb there. I don't think I can stretch it out any. Let's see what we can do. We're going to get a little wonky though. It's really cool. It's just too much black. Let's see. It's been a rough painting day for me today, guys. You come out here with all these ideas and they don't come out the way you plan them. Alright, so let's work with that. I'm going to airbrush that out and see what happens. I wish I could put another one here, but I can't because I would never get the black. Well, I know you're probably all like, leave it, leave it. No, I can't. I can't leave it. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to do a little ring pour in the middle of this to stretch out that black with the same colors. And I'm going to have to put you on pause because my FedEx man, or UPS man's here. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so I was on gold. I'm on black now. White. Blue Ice Pearl. Steel Blue. Midnight Blue. I'm going to use up this gold, I think, today. And some more black. Alright. I'm going to start right in the middle of that. I think I'm going to do circles this time. Ah, it dripped. I didn't get it. Sometimes if you tap that drip down, you're okay. So we'll see if that shows up. Alright, let me give it a quick torch. And let's stretch it out. Maria, I tried, honey. Maybe I should have done it the way that Ellen did it. So I kind of like this band here. I'm going to leave it. But I do want to push it down this way just a little bit. And I want to touch that spot where I tuck that drip down. Okay, let's torch it up. See how many cells we're going to have popping up all over the place. Not bad. Oh, here they come. They just had to get warm. Alright. So subscribe if you haven't. Click on that bell next to the subscribe button, and you will be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook, on our art page, as well as our group. We welcome all subscribers there to come and share your work. And you can ask questions as well. We have a fan mail box and a PayPal link for donations. We do a giveaway for our sponsors every quarter, and it's usually a painting of their choice. Let me give you a close-up here. I did like the black flowery look in there, but I couldn't make it work. But look at, I get some beautiful tiles. So that's it for that one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.